Yashe, Momo Kapuangaye, Mirabachi, Momo Kapuangaye, Imufanje, Momo Kapuangaye, Ninje, Momo Kapuangaye.
Voilà, drop. Thank you, Amba, please, thank you. John, I see you. He's trying the Republic out of our territory. Oh, and they enjoyed today because of the videos. Oh, now share who go the drafts. Who go the draft tonight? Invite your man. Thank you, comrades. Amba, please, thank you. 21 gon salute. I see you. Ojong, Akabom. I see you. Atore salute. Oh, thank you, my friend from Cyprus. Yeah, I see you. Atore salute. Oh. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens of the revolution, we are good evening, wherever we are there. I come today with a very joyful mind. I come today for throw away una salute. I come today for bring una updates, even though we don't see them for our wars, various activists and the people where they support the revolution. We don't see the good work for our pages. We don't see all the videos where they come out, where they emanate from ground zero. My brother, comrade John Paul Atowe salute. Our Trump supporter will come to the Big Firewood Project. Atowe salute. We don't see the video news, the videos where they emanate all from ground zero. Prince can be announcing the show, but if he come, the show will be brief. Sometimes Prince can get some tea for talk because I see post say will surely come soon. The show today no goes long, but so another comrade from the internet government, if he show up, go invite he ask some few questions because I even promise Mr. Markham the show. So I just wait if he come, then I just invite him. But we'll go right away to our show proper and we talk right away. It doesn't happen because as it happens, so now they see the videos, now they see all the pictures, and we'll be motivated for know what did it happen, who said it happened, and why it happened. So we did a very short period of time. We don't see the videos all the way from the BLM. We don't see before one start with the BLM said Marvel talk na Kumba. We see the one way come out last week for Kumba LG away Chamberlain Paul. If you don't the glacier Kumba don't cold, Kumba didn't exist, Amber didn't exist again for Kumba. But we see the video where come out from Kumba for respond because when the internet government announced the response to launch the 2021 World Draft, Kumba respond for tell them say they be ready, they wait for the draft. Subsequently, as the draft day today, the grand free marcher of the BLM, people say no, the draft nothing go on. Where the day where the draft go, they send a message For tell Ambazonian people say, great free marshal, is they alive. I be prepared. So the tell we say, move activate the world draft in good spirit. After the video, they come with the jubilate success for Kumba, le BLM, we see another victory. It come from all the way from Bui, where when I see the one way it come with Bui, I don't think say even one soul for each of that moto, it survive. As we the try for they say look the Bui. Without some news, what you see, now the Samukata, they respond very powerfully. Now when some people say, who no go, who no go, wait till I see. Now people the way they follow this struggle, they feel remember that song where our brothers them, our comrades, they be singer for where they be there, they be control. The Fako Meme Blackta all the way from Moyoka. Do I know? Now there's something that. What do we see for Ambazonian? I will go take them. Who no go know? What who no go know? What I see? What did they see? They will take them. Yes. So another song they say. That song that I sing that song. ABC, wonderful. Mama me tell me say, man no go kumba water wonderful. I go kumba water, I see something wonderful. Smoke bang bang, ding. Another song na finish them. They don't tell, they say they don't enter amber. They need to hear. They don't call amber now. They don't see. That's what they say. ABC, wonderful. Mama me tell me say, man no go kumba water wonderful. I go kumba water, I see something wonderful. To make bang. Now they say they don't enter amber. They don't come with amber. You don't see now small residential fighters. They don't feel resist. Fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens, over the week we see La Republique. They go say they want to invade Pinyen. We see almost 20 trucks of army because our restoration fighters for that area. Now then there for say me the ban on that road, that stretch road between Metasem, me be respected. So we watch the video where the General one and Beseweti, the Bakosi man. Where don't be a slave master to the La Republique. It make old video say they go invade the area. They go invade Pinyen, but to the greatest dismay, to the greatest shock, they don't even know side our restoration fighter in there. We will be ghosts. All Ambazonian restoration fighters are ghosts. That's why they never know. They never know. And they say that who did she tell and public say they feel win this war? Who did tell and public say they feel win? Because when they see their propaganda TV, they tell about Douala, they tell about Yaoundé. They don't know what the gravity where they go down. If some of them bend down, listening the gravity where they go down. They know they just need for pack their back. They go. Fellow Ambazonians, time don't reach. Now, we don't see the good news where we expect, especially for people that they be talk say they want video, because we will get to say breaking news. This is not happen here, this is not happen here, this is not. So people they can write silly comment. They want videos, they want proof. Free marshal in the fight. Now, when I don't see the video emanate from Le BLM, where when I talk say free marshal no day, Le BLM, some people talk say, I think I see some tweets for Twitter. I think Mark Barata talk say with the editor they say Le BLM need to exist after the death of Ayeke. Le BLM exist again. Fellow Ambazonians, we don't see the video where Emmanuel from the BLA and that one is not a target. He carried the motor, he hit back down. That one, now we want to see video, we want to see proof. Our resistance fighters, they tell una because when someone una come for Facebook, he write silly comments. Where is war draft? Where is war draft? That video, the way that they come up with that, that our resistance fighters, they need to get that video. Now say they don't like to do video because some of una don't support, give money, una they want to see proof, and that boy they do all the maximum best for satisfy una the support struggle. Una don't see the video there because it's not easy for them a war front. You take video, my brothers and sisters. It's not easy when you take a war front. You take video, but say ambassador na Thomas. When they hear news, they don't believe. Our resource fighters, they don't tell una. Say they know they for video, but una see insist. Una don't see videos all. And now, who now go tell me? Some man get question. Ask say what's our draft don't go. I want ask ambassador people. Some man get a question now. For tell me say who's our world draft day? When I see that popcorn, the other thing they show. No na today. In that today they start manufacture that popcorn. No na team today. Oh, and you tell now. Even Kumba, well they before that one for Kumba was succeed. Even I know how long it take. The intelligence, the manpower, the technical know-how. My brothers, it's not that people today. When you don't come today, you just say, you just do explosive. Now it's a process. I need money. Because some people they believe and say, me take the world draft money, you buy AKs, you sample them for Facebook. That way ADF they do also. Because if you see ADF, when they won't buy their material, they sample them for Facebook. People they say, ADF get material, ADF get material, ADF get. When you globalize all the 13 county materials, people that job will fall. Nothing that we will know. Nothing will. We need to fight na propaganda. We need to fight na real fight. So we stop propaganda. You want to see action with them, no? You don't see action. Una see le BLM. Una see Bui. Una see Kumba. Una see Samukata. Now 4 armor cars. Even though the armor car have 4 war motor in that way, they don't destroy them within 1 week. When I see the pain where we don't inflict them and the casualties of people that die, not only destroying, but they go with casualties. When I see the level of material damage and expenditure where we don't inflict on the Republic, within the twinkling of the eye. The boys they don't respond. And now they won't drag the Canada just because more don't respond. They will go. When fight is hot, me continue hot in the simultaneous way. Me the fight continue hot. What draft? Because we need to activate money. This war draft, it can't say they will order money or you don't just now say me pocket no dry. We get for no so. Our pocket, you know, they will dry empty. We will not get 5 francs. We get for no so. What drag they can activate? When I see our boys, then they see the spirit. When I see what we war draft will do, as they announce the next war draft, you know, make 24 hours. I mean, you never reach 24 hours. When I see multiple reaction for all the counties. When I see multiple reaction. Now, so another LG and the way una go hear after this one. Una just put una ear for that. Una follow our page. Una go see multiple reaction within these days. And we give una assurance. That one, this time, that time no pass way where we come with us with the doubt. We need the doubt what way we fit do with the Republic. We don't really understand the dynamics for the fight. We don't really understand how to fight La Republic. We don't really understand. And La Republic, it will take, even the La Republic 100 years. Enough it defeats Ambazonian. Even the La Republic na 50 years, on a 100 something years, enough it defeat Ambazonian. I will make this show a bit brief, so that we'll follow Pinjeka. So, fellow Ambazonians, make we go for world draft. Our boys, they don't show we. Say, make we go draft. Any man we get pity, you get love for the struggle, go draft tonight. Because you don't get any question for answer again. And shame to those people the way they say we get failure. And we go to RPG. Our big firewood. The project it go on very seriously. This week any man will not prepare because this weekend we will see kind of fundraising. Because the project now project where it never will stop. Every world draft continue, the project it will continue. So the big firewood, not na project way, na temporary project. Now whether you see, if you come today, we can race this week, we no come. As we continue, we will succeed. We not only they will bring una proofs because we don't know the level of the struggle. Say Ambazonian people, they want proof. We will bring una proof of big firewood. Una no worry. Una no worry. We will bring una proofs for big firewood. We will not succeed. As a reaching amount, we purchase. We continue. A reaching amount, we purchase. Now so, we go do it. A reaching amount, we purchase. A reaching amount, we purchase. They will show you the proof. They will not see the work for them. They will end the fight. The fight will end. We not just see the way that La Republic terrorism. They will bundle themselves. When I see the way they bundle themselves for opinion, say if we will get one big firewood around the corner, that one will cause massive destruction because we'll kill all them in that place. They bundle themselves for one place, they cost for money, they will just empty one big side for that place. When I see the result, when I see all the videos where it happened. When I see all the videos the way it happened, my brothers and sisters will get a very good topography for winning war with big firewood. When I see only explosive the way, and we will do one. I mean the explosive the way we will do one. Then see the topography where when they stand, see them, they need to see we. Hey! When they start see them, they need to see we. When I see the commitment of our body, then give them one. Just give them. My brothers and sisters, the fight, it don't change level. The fight, it don't change state. The fight now a fight with intelligence. The fight now not be fight for rush. Not be fight for say you go for battlefield, go make you see. Now fight now, technical fight. They will win the enemy. When I don't hear any casualties for our restoration fighters, no. But when you see I say, no our restoration fighters, they say that the enemy now they come. Trap, bam! They hit them. They go there, they retreat. They go there. Now guerrilla fight that. Now they fight that. Now the people will ever. They will watch them. They really say, when this armor card go for in front, whether now you want to knock them, they don't know. Fear, it go there into the heart. Fear, they them. My brothers and sisters, may we go draft. So say Ghana move no fi come. We go draft tonight. We join the internet government. We join the world draft. We draft. More not to say so LG and the way they don't use their money this. They get work, they still work. They still work on the ground. Now fight. All players never hot the same. But surely, surely, the 13 county go hot. And all the LG go hot. Now just move, be patient. I beg, move, be patient. They say, the way you do coffee, now you go do kaka. The way you do coffee, now you go do kaka. The strategy where Bowie use them, the strategy where the BLM use them, it will surely go ram the 13, the 61 LGAs. Mujo be calm, patient. Mujo be calm. The facts, the most important thing, now what LGA for us get the intelligence. We don't need only one LGA. Me don't get the intelligence how to do. Then the case is finished. The case is finished. Surely, slowly, it will rotate all the other LGAs, my brothers and sisters. So, we go draft. Within a week, we go come for big firewood. When I see the strategy of blocking roads, like that. When I see how one of my brothers we call Prince Jeka, or we emphasize on road blocking. When I see the most effective way for hinder the enemy, now for block the entrance, block all roads, cut bridges. Take initial cut the firewood, the end of the road before the one come, before the one do anything. We don't know. We don't live in 6 passes of road. Now one thing that we give emphasize on our rescue fighters. We now block all roads. Any road when I think say that the people get access to pass moto. Mostly now they use Okada. Mostly the whole suburb they use Okada. Okada will pass any kind of road. When I set the bridge for them, when I cut bridges, when I see how Vietnam they take and succeed, Vietnam they succeed now, they will destroy bridges, destroy everything, where you give the enemy access for penetrate into the interior. Nothing that will do. Again, I want to thank the great Red Dragon, Free Masha, the Bowie, Samu Kata, Kumba, our rescue fighter for Clementi. And even the other one, the way their own video, I don't say the other LGA, their own video, you see loads. You know, some of them there before one come, you take time. We don't only do acts, but before one load connection, because like people on site, it cuts connection. I want to thank you so much. Say, we will see receive that video, we will publish them, make ambassador to see the work of World Draft. If a man can ask me because you say World Draft, just take one video show you. When any man asks you say World Draft do just take one video show you. Now World Draft that. World Draft no mean say na ba AK one must bag la Republic did do war from now World Draft that. Una just means a man should not assess the economic sabotage. We don't do la Republic just with 2 days. I mean 2 days. The pain and the economic crisis, so you put them for buy. Now, no, I'm going to buy one ammo car. Now, I'm going to buy one ammo car. They will take a seconds for destroy them. Very soon, La Republic will find it difficult for using moto ammo car inside a personal territory. We will guarantee them that 100% say subsequently there was a fear for use ammo car. Because it will be like the target. Amoka will be target for ambassador. So, when I join Prince Jeka, now the small message away, I just say my bring up for una. Una stay blessed. Why we join Prince Jeka? Because the announcement will come will show. Thank you so much for watching.